This is the Richmond 2.5 gallon only. You can see just my hand on it. Oh shit, this thing fell. Pretty small hot water heater. I got it set at 150 degrees. Runs that, you can get about a good 5-minute hot shower. So the well here doesn't make much water, so you gotta take a short shower anyway. And I was using my RV's little hot water heater in here and figure, well, this one actually uses less electricity even. Works really good for, you can take a shower with it, you just gotta conserve your hot water, but it does work if you have to.